Hey, what's going on everybody? Today we're going to replace the passenger side outside mirror on a 2005 Ford F150. For difficulty, I'm going to give it a 1 wrench. So tools you're going to need trim tools, a 6mm, 5.5mm, 8mm, and 10mm sockets, ratchet, extension. I'm also going to need needle nose pliers, and I believe that is it. If you're new here and want to learn how to repair and maintain your vehicle, start out by hopping down, hitting the subscribe button, hit the bell so you stay up to date on all the videos that we have coming out. The first step, you want to compare, since that side's broken, compare it to your driver's side, make sure they look similar, which they do. Okay, you're going to have 2 fasteners, one down here, one at this end of the door. Then we're going to take the speaker cover off and take the speaker out, along with your power window switch panel. There's a fastener behind there, along with the door handle. This screw and the other screw are 6mm. Then you want to use a plastic trim tool to pop the speaker cover up. Then you get your fingers behind it, just like that. 4 screws for the speaker are 5.5mm. Once those are out, the speaker will come out like that. Then you have a connector, just push up on the tab to release it. Next, you want to take off this rubber seal. Then you have 2 rubber grommets. Grab with some pliers, and they are on there kind of tight, but just pull them out like that. Next is the switch panel. Just has clips. Work it up like so. There's what the clips look like. Press in to release the tab and disconnect both switches. Next is going to be this 8mm bolt that was behind the switch panel. And then you want to release this cover. Take a little screwdriver and pry it out. 2 8mm screws. Then if you have a magnet, just grab them with a magnet. Just like that. And then get your plastic trim tool. Just like that. And pull the handle out, just like that. Okay, now that all your bolts and everything are out of the way, grab the panel wherever you find comfortable. You lift it straight up. And as you're pulling it off, you want to slide the handle through the door, just like that. All right, once your door panel's off, you want to grab this weather seal. This stuff might be really sticky. Peel it back to expose your connector. Right here, that tab, you'll press it towards the connector and unplug the mirror. And you have 3 nuts to take off, holding the mirror on. You might have to hold the mirror as you loosen this last one. Nope, it's got a clip on there to hold it, so we'll just spin this one off. Once the 3 nuts are off, you just want to grab the old mirror, pull it away from the door, just like that. And up at this top one, there's actually a clip that holds it on the door. Take your new mirror, just like the old mirror, line up like that, and then push it in until you hear it click in, like that. All right, you start the nuts, just run them down. Once you got those tight, plug your connector back in, push the weather seal back over. Last thing you want to do is make sure everything is working. So if you find this video useful, go and give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends. And if you haven't already subscribed and want to learn how to repair and maintain your vehicle, hop down and hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week.